And I'm curious if by chance we have anyone that is that saw this on the post on the Facebook group and joined us, and it's your first time. I would love to know that. I'm assuming since I only promoted this to the group and to our club members, everybody has tangled. So that's my assumption. If I'm wrong, let me know. So here's my thoughts. I'm gonna share what today's tangle will be, and it's not a heart shaped tangle, because it's technically tomorrow's daily tangle, and
Planning ahead.
planning ahead. Yeah, exactly. And even though still a free for all, casual, but we want to make sure using the chat like we always do, just for the recording and for everybody's enjoyment. Um, and we'll see what happens with the Facebook part. So what I'm going to do is I'm sharing in the chat a link to this would be the blog post. So I'll share my screen. All of the posts, because I figured out how to collect them on one page. So you could pick whatever you wanted to do here. And so you can click on any if you need to have the step outs and whatnot. So these are all of the Valentangles. I don't think I had, or maybe I do. Nope, I didn't put them in there. Oh, there is one other one I wanted to add, and I'll do that. So here's what today is going to be. So in my mind, I'm picturing, at least for myself, and I'm sharing it so that way if you want to do something similar, you can. I'm going to move that out of the way. I'm gonna draw a big heart, but this Wallace, and let me put that in the chat. I thought would be neat to well, at first I was thinking it'd be nice to I'd have a heart and then have it kind of go across like it's a piece of lace because it has that lacy look. And then as I'm doing it, it takes a lot to it's a little time consuming but not bad to put all of the little dots on. So I'm like going, I don't know. Well, maybe if I did it small in like a ribbon type of thing. And you don't see a line? I wonder, Sandy, if you have to go to my page. Let me just out of curiosity, because I had it shared to the group. Here's the Facebook event. Okay, yeah, see, and I had it shared. It's just one of these weird things. It's like I could. There was something about adding it to the page, but it wasn't letting me add it to the Tangle Addicts community page. It brought up the tangles everywhere. And I'm like, I don't want it there. Why wouldn't you put all of them? Ugh, So, okay, so it's a little. Clarence says it's a little delayed. So we'll see if you can even. Yeah, well, I guess you can kind of see it's a little far away. This other camera. And it's one of those things where it's something that I do want to do at some point. It just might not be quite yet. We're not ready for prime time.
If you click the event, then it'll show right there. There's a little button that says "Watch Live Event."
Oh, okay. And I think it's yeah, and I because I saved it I shared it to the group, and yeah. But I think it probably takes you back to the CZT page. Well, in any case, we'll leave it there. We'll see what happens. Yeah. And you guys are funny. It's and thanks, Monica. If we'll just see what happens. It's always fun to experiment and expand, right? Okay, so as I was saying, so this is my plan for today. So I'm going to start with just regular, and
you have to remove your page.
Oh yes, let's stop that. Oh, because you're watching that. This is what I was intending on showing. Let me put this in the link as well. This link in the chat. All right. Okay. So this is where I was picturing, oh, it would be nice as a ribbon. And I suppose, oh, and see on her ribbon, she's sharing the, at first it looked like a flux shape, but it could be a seed shape going in between them versus making it like a grid and going on. Because this, I mean, it's easy, a diamond and then, an, let's say an orb or a flux shape or a seed shape going up and then one to each side and then putting dots all the way around them. I put dots. I couldn't tell if they were dots or lines. I suppose that could be to your taste. And then aura the whole thing and put a grid behind it. It could be like this, like cheesecloth on I think it looks neat on an angle versus if you were to do it straight. But that's what I was picturing was this ribbon across a heart or somewhere around a heart. And then whatever heart patterns that you want to do, we'll just get it all out of our system, or just, it's the final hurrah. And part of me thinks, I don't know if I'll do this. Well, it's fun to do hearts, but to have a focus on hearts, I don't know. Because there are several that they're like, oh, I don't do Valentine's Day. It's like, well, I get it. All right. So I am just going to.
I traced my heart in my circle, and I'm going to do it in the middle. But I've got a big border around, so I can make it match all the others that I did.
Wow, that's a good
We'll
idea.
see what happens.
Yeah, so a lot of me was thinking, well, and then I would just incorporate lines in. Let's see, how do I want? Okay, just do it, Heather. Okay, some of mine's going to be small, apparently. And actually, I'm seeing that the layer on the other is not so great, or is great, is not so good. All right, for those watching on Facebook, it's an experiment. There's a link in the description for the online meeting. Feel free to join us there. Okay, and then so I'm going to start with Wallace, and then that's what I said. And then if you want to, I'm going to poke out some of the different hearts or something, or we just leave that heart and that's it. What am I using here? I have a PN. I have a brand new. I think I'm going to start this right here in the center, and I'm going to do what they. I'm not going to put the grid lines. I'm just going to put a small diamond to start. So I just have to. Well, I can go outside the lines. Right. So today just a little bit more disjointed than normal. And I was thinking about what you're doing, Mom. Just put one big one in the middle. So you have to follow Mom because mine is way too small.
No, don't.
Let's see. And then because then the little at first I was making little dots but I was ending up spending too much time doing like a little circle.
Oh, but
And
I'm
just
thinking,
pressing the pen tip in carefully works. Although this one, it's still going to have a nice effect having it being all around the outside. And so if you just touch that line,
right, and if you have a bigger pen, it's even
yeah,
easier.
yeah.
Oh, I didn't put those little guys in.
Yeah, so you put the the flux shape to going north to south, east, west, and then little guys coming out the side. We need a magnifying glass.
Well, I don't know. Mine's not much better because I'm having to squish those in
Yeah.
because it goes around those too. Okay, I'll get it.
It was around everything, and then it's just a nice big aura around all of it. like that. Wait, from our not that it's going to help. It's just going to be a joke.
She didn't do that in the ribbon, though.
Oh wait, look at you can see.
It works, but in the ribbon one, she didn't have the aura around it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Before she connected the next one. No.
No, it's all together. Oh yeah, so I goofed up already. Mine's
No,
gonna be different.
you just changed it.
I just changed it. Yeah, because I was excited that I was gonna connect them. Oh, well, I'm not now. All right, I'm gonna start with the. Yeah, so then I'm just gonna spread them out.
Yeah, and now I don't know what to do.
Let's see. Well, so wait here.
One done.
Well, see, I was picturing, doing one in the center and then doing something else on the outside. And if I need to, we'll share that just again, and because see, the background is all of this grid, so you could do that and then do something cool on the outside.
Yeah.
Like elegant or something.
I'm so elegant. I'm elegant out.
we don't want you to be elegant out.
But I could aura this first and then figure out what I want to do.
Or let's see. There's or you could do this l'amour.
I don't like that one.
Oh, you didn't like that one? Okay. You could do Cherie. You could do your
I
name.
could do me.
All the way on the outside.
That would be for the outside.
Yeah. Or there's this Callywags, and the Callywags, because I just did it with the little balls there, but if you look, so she has heart shapes as well. So that could be something fun to add.
Yeah. But I think I have an idea.
And if anyone needs me to put something in the chat or pull it up because you're brainstorming too, let me know. Because that could be cute growing out of it. Oh, I'm gonna do that one. All right. After I figure out what else I'm gonna do. After I finish doing these. Or I leave that one in the center and I just do a grid on the outside. I'm just kidding. Nope. All right, I'm going to do it with a little bit smaller start. Anyway, well, yeah, if I do it smaller, then I'm not thinking. This is an experiment. Yes. Because the smaller that beginning diamond, you can see how much I played with this one. I have not so much. The smaller the beginning diamond, the harder it is to fit in those little shapes on the side. This one could just turn into a Bronx cheer too. Or a Bronx cheer heart. I forgot who did the Bronx heart. I think it was on group. But all right, now try it. The bigger, so this will be just graduating, getting smaller-ish. That's my story. And now we'll try it with a bigger diamond. Oh. bigger diamond helps. Yeah, I just pressing the pen tip in really makes a difference, because like I said, I was doing little little teeny pearls, and it was I'm like, okay, this is gonna take me 12 years to do this.
Well, and even if you don't get them exactly placed, they still look like they're supposed to look.
Yeah.
It's like that picot edge.
Okay. Yeah.
Whoops.
Yeah, and it's just neat. Oh, okay. So once I get this down now, then maybe tonight I'll do it on a black tile, and we could combine. For those that had done the class, this ain't your grandma's doily, because we can make a art doily.
Yeah, because this would be a perfect one for that
Yeah.
technique.
Let's see. And if I do one bigger out this side, it'll all end up looking just fine. I see. Oh, let me flip back here. No comments. Yeah. Oh well, it says there's 3 viewers. Oh, 3 viewers. Everyone's on here and on there. Oh, funny. Although, yeah, you can't. It's really. You know what I wonder? Stretch. Only because I like winging things, apparently. Let's see if I can. Oh. Oh, there. Okay. Now the other one is off. Here nicely. Cameras. Okay, it's better on the Facebook. Let's see. Oh, David Doodle says that yours looks very Indian-esque or Westerny.
Oh,
I like those. I like both of those terms.
doesn't look anything like that to me, but I'm not done yet. I still keep having trouble with any white pen on these.
On the regular, or is that the gray?
It's
Oh,
a gray.
gray.
It's a gray Zentangle.
Huh.
This one's working better. I hate to jinx it by saying that.
Well, it's odd because that's a little truthier or more absorbent, or however you want to say it, than like those that Bristol paper that you were using.
Yeah.
It's like that's what doesn't make any sense.
No, I write over on the side on the foam core and it's fine. And then
Yeah. This one is a nice one in that it's easy, and even though it's like, the dots, I certainly don't mind doing tedious type things. But it is neat because you could kind of lose yourself in, just like when we were doing the other dotty patterns, the several that we have, just something kind of neat and hypnotic about just doing the dots. Well, there we go. Felicity says she prefers the vellum Bristol. Is that what those?
somebody was using that. I had some yesterday, and I don't know. One of the ladies gave me this black piece of paper because I was showing them your pens that change color,
Yeah.
and they worked great on that. I didn't have anything black with, and she did. And somebody was, or maybe it was yesterday morning, somebody had a tablet, and I think it was the same lady, and it it's it was a Strathmore, but it said Bristol vellum.
Okay, because I think I have like I bought a black pad of paper that Karen Maxey says it was during the class. Slight texture. Oh, okay. Let me just if they're they're right here. Let's see. Oh no, it doesn't. Oh, yeah. On these ones it says vellum surface, and they do have a slight texture. These ones, if anyone's wondering. Whoop. Oh. Can't see that because the camera's down too low and I'm not touching it anymore. And I think the black pad that I got, it was also Strathmore. It was a lot smoother.
Well, yeah, this black piece that the one lady gave me is very, very smooth.
And I liked how the white pens worked on that.
Yeah.
That was before they came out with the nice juicy number 10s. Yeah, so I don't seem to have a lot more luck with those 10s than the 8s, and I'm sure it's just because they're so nice and juicy. Okay, it's getting a little wonky on this side. But once I put the diagonal in, oh well.
Mine got a little wonky too, but it's right. Once you get the diagonals in, you don't notice it.
Helps if you remember to aura everything too. Well, no one will see that. I'm wondering why it looked weird. Well, and I had oh, Rosie, yeah, we're just going to just the regular time. Oh, let me slide that over. And thanks Be my Valentine. Why I'm starting in the middle, because it's like, okay, I can at least kind of get this, get the grid going, and then expand out. That was my thought. And sort of hollowing these lines times. I should have done more of have it be a little lighter touch, and then maybe a little wiggly like cheesecloth, because then I don't have to worry about it. And we like not worrying about anything. It's good. Oh, too. This is a wavy. This is a wavy, something. So it doesn't matter how it comes off anyway, because when fabric moves, or a ribbon, things get distorted. And then on top of it, it's non-representational. So
Great ways to justify all of that, Heather.
right, we got it covered. Yeah. Oh. Well, and then when it's done, it's like, oh, kind of like it. It's interesting. Oh, that's right. And I was gonna do. Let's see. I know for sure I was gonna do the Tallywags. Or maybe that's just what I do. I'm gonna peek through my list. Oh, and I do have, okay. Uh-oh. Somehow I posted one twice. Oh, to fix that. I thought it was some like weird mistake. Oh, and then there's the Hardy. That's a nice it's nice for a nice ribbon. Oh, and then oh, okay. I see lots of things that I like. Oh, why did I do that? Don't you know? Let's see. I'm gonna put Sandy's LFL in the bottom here. A modified one. wonder because I'm. It has said several people are typing. It must be some kind of a weird glitch because I've had that happen before. Because I'm like, either we're typing books or. Well, I can't wait to see what everybody's done because everybody's so quiet. Super exciting. Oh, that's all right. I'm modifying it. It works. Love, love, love it. Yes, that's right, Monica. It's non-representational. There's nothing we can do wrong. Exactly. It's a good way to put it out of your head that I didn't like this or I didn't like that. It's like no, yeah, it's all good. It's non-representational. Or you blame it on the pen or your hand, and that's why I said the pen does what the pen wants to do, and the hand does what the hand wants to do. I have no control. Sometimes it feels that way. Like with this is a new pen, and sometimes I find it kind of extra grabby, with a new nib. So that makes it real easy to blame the pen.
Or the paper's too slippery.
Yes. Yes. That works too. All right, let's see. Sometimes it's just extra fun to just play and let your mind just go, and then and work to. Oh, this is mean. Work to not think about what I'm doing. Just go. Yeah, try it. Try it. Like it. Apparently, not going to get this done. Actually, no, I think I actually can. do. The secret of the Callywag was to not have anything cross and to aura. Some challenges with that, feeling like it was going on that whole random thing. At the same time, practicing the just don't think about it and just do. When I get that, then it seems to go a lot faster.
I think that's the problem a lot of people have. I mean, just
Mhm.
looking at the posts on you know, the
The group.
Tangle Addicts community and different things.
Yeah.
People try to overthink the whole thing.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to think about it. Just do it.
Thinking is overrated. Uh, and yes, oh, now I know who it is. I have to think about it before I say it. Yes, I just have Santa in there. Santalentine. I don't know. Yeah, just an hour. Oh, Zelda answered it already. Yes. And then say, and yes, the key is definitely overrated. Exactly. What I try to not have things do is to look contrived. That's the word I have, but then at the same time, I should not worry about it because this looks like it kind of looks like Doodah. It's Doodah and Callywag mashup, and it's just the way it ended up. This side will be different, sure. It is. It's different. It's all good. Ah. Then, because I've had so much fun playing with this at Mom's house, I'm gonna try.
What? What did you have fun
Actually,
playing with at my house?
well, let's see. Which I don't remember now which I used. Oh, let's do this. coloring. So, okay, I can feel the difference. See what happens. Okay. No, not so bad. In this way a little more. Oh, this means I can't do anything with it. Try. I guess I better go all the way out. I'm using Michael's, or no, yeah, Artist Left is Michael's brand watercolor pencil. And it didn't feel as nice going on as the low, was it low?
Low Cornell.
Cornell, yeah. But it's still, whoops, looks nice. And see, I need, oh, there's, let's see, what have we got here? Oh, 4 minutes. Oh, and actually, let's do, color those, I better do them. I was thinking to shade at first and then do this. But
Oh, you're using. Oh, okay. I know what you're doing now.
yeah, so I did, yeah, the watercolor pencil. And I could always wait till it dries and then do. That's the problem when I think of something kind of not in any particular order. And pink in here, I think, but it's all right. Maybe in the middle. I had this thought in my head and I started playing. That's why I had that Zentangle Essentials tile there and play with the watercolors, but I wanted to do it after like all the shading and just to see, how neat things could turn out. Now I'll see. I need to do something with this other heart in here. In the no minutes we have left. Oh
no! I'm done.
You're done.
Hands up.
Well, I'll do this while everybody is opening their webcams and show what amazing creativity with that we have going on. Oh, look at those! Woo! Right, I'm just doing one half because I can't look and do this at the same time. Water. Oh, that's too much water. 1 second. Oh my goodness. How fun. All right, let me get this open.
Wait a minute, I'm not done.
Okay. Beautiful.
Okay, now I'm done. Not that it makes a big difference.
Oh, neat. All right. This is it. I think I just have one page. Hold them steady. Oh, there we go. Hi, Clau. Almost maybe a little further away because I'm not seeing the top of it. A little further away and then down. Oh,
down and back towards you. We're right about there.
Perfect.
Stop.
Yeah,
Hold
yeah. Okay. Oh, yep. Hold your breath. Got it. Yay. Okay. Let me share my screen. Well, this is fun for a kind of last minute-y thought since this will get me even more motivated to not be on that board, right? I keep saying it. It'll happen. It'll happen. Gorgeous. Oh, I wanted to get this. Look at that. Kim's the little guys coming out the top. That's so cute. Right. There we got. There's the bottom. They are all gorgeous.
It was fun.
That was fun. It was with just just a little bit different than normal. Love it. No, Karen. No, I was just that was what I said. That was what I had envisioned in my head for doing this. But it was just that tangle. That'll be today's tangle, and that's what I had pictured going through, and love it. And actually, I like what you did because that's what I was thinking when Mom started drawing hers, and my one thought was to do what you did there, and just do one big one in the center, and then I changed my mind. But they're so neat.
But I think like you were thinking, Heather, doing it on black.
Mm.
Yeah, I've got a black square because this is where I tested out the pens on this side, but this side is good.
Yeah. I was adding some more water to mine. They're all turned out so neat. I'm playing with watercolor pencils because I think that would be fun.
Are you putting water on now?
I was putting a little bit more water on just because I wanted it to, yeah. That's what they made shirt tails for, to
No, I didn't do a ribbon.
No, but yeah, but how neat did these turn out? And Karen Maxey, doing several in the middle too. And it was, do a heart or not do a heart. This is just like the last hurrah, heart raw. And I like Monica's in the middle there. Oh, little henna drum, and
Mhm.
looks like floors and aura. That looks really nice.
Yeah, that's really a neat way to do.
Mm,
We get so many ideas from you people. More ideas than we have time to do.
yeah, and Valentine. I like the cubine in there. That is really, really cool. They're all neat. And Diane Rochelle's. Oh, look at the little hearts. It's like heart muka. How neat. Oh, I wanted to try the chocolate. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Hmm.
now that you're that'd be a good thing for next year. Kim's crosshatch, whatever you call that in the background,
Yeah.
looks like fishnet stocking
I'm looking.
or tulle because she has them spaced, not
Oh,
you know
yeah.
connected.
Yeah.
So it looks like they are all just
Yeah.
gorgeous.
Love it. And actually, is there you do some like an aura or something like a border on the top? That's one thing I didn't do was a border on the top, and I see several that did. Yeah, mine. Oh, I had the string, and then I didn't do anything with it afterwards. I see some that have little orbs. Oh, and like my Valentine has little loopies. Ah, they turned out so neat.
Very good.
Ah, how fun! How fun! And I like Sharon's having the making the heart look like a ribbon. That's a neat idea too. Heart itself. Oh, so cool. All right. Well, happy Valentine's Day. We are all each other's Valentine.
Yeah,
And
I
as
like Sharon's heart.
yeah. And so here, nice job too. Um, and
Everyone's there.
yeah,
Yes.
and Rhonda's like your Tallywags they look like they're alive. They're like heart. Was it somebody who joked about tadpoles or something like that?
Yeah.
But I like that how you because there's some shading in there. Just so neat. Oh, gorgeous. And now everyone has to go out and get yourself a bouquet of pens. What would we substitute chocolates for? I don't know. And diamondy ones, that would be sparkly pens. That's different. Um oh, so lots of fun. Thanks so much. Let me turn off the recording.